Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to change the interface language in Yandex Browser. Whether it started in Russian or another language, here's how to switch it to English, or anything else. Let's go! Start by opening Yandex Browser. Now click on the menu icon in the top right corner. It looks like 3 horizontal lines, or sometimes 3 dots depending on your version. From the drop-down, click on Settings. If your interface is in a different language, look for the option that has a gear icon. That's the Settings menu. Inside Settings, scroll down or type Language into the search bar. Look for a section called Interface Language, or something similar. Depending on your current language, it may look like Interface if it's in Russian. Click the drop-down and choose your preferred language, like English, Spanish, or whatever you prefer. Once you select it, Yandex will ask you to restart the browser to apply the new language. Click the Restart button, or simply close and reopen the browser. When it reopens, the entire browser interface, menus, settings, notifications, should now be in your chosen language. Optional tip: if you want websites to load in that language, scroll further down in the settings and look for website languages. You can prioritize which languages you want sites to display in. And that's it. You've changed the language in Yandex Browser. If this video helped you out, give it a like and consider subscribing for more simple, clear tutorials. Don't forget the bell icon and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.